Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today I will share how you can make your lips soft using sugar scrub. Because when it comes to beauty, you simply cannot ignore your lips, and soft and pink lips enhance appearance of your face. And if your lips are dark and cracked, it will spoil overall your beauty. There are many reasons behind this, like using low quality lip care products, excessive exposure to sunlight, smoking, high caffeine intake, or sometimes hormonal imbalance. So let's go and check how you can make this sugar scrub to solve all this problem. To make the lip scrub, take 2 tablespoons of sugar in a bowl and make sure to use small granules of sugar as it helps to scrub your lips really well. And then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. And next I am going to add 1 vitamin E capsule for extra benefit. And mix this well. Here the mixture is little thick, so I am going to add around half tablespoon of almond oil and mix well. So finally the sugar scrub for lips is ready. You can store this in airtight container for 10 to 15 days and use it to gently scrub your lips for a couple of minutes. This will help to remove dead skin cell and make your lips soft and smooth. And after scrubbing, apply a good moisturizer. I have already shared a video on how to make lip balm at home in 2 ways. In one video I have used beeswax and in another video I have used beetroot juice to make a lip balm. You can choose as per your preference. I will also put the link in the description box, you can check there. Do try this home remedy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for latest beauty tips. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.